Why do police reports often get trucking accidents wrong? As we've discussed before, police reports in trucking cases aren't infallible, and there's several reasons for this. Number one is often the injured person is hauled off to the hospital. If that happens, then the police only get one side of the story, and you can imagine how that might influence a report. Second, oftentimes police aren't looking for violations of Code of Federal Regulations or other laws. They're only looking at what typical traffic laws were violated and not the trucking regulations that are so complicated in trucking cases. Number three, they often don't have all the data when they're filling out their reports. As we've talked about before, trucking accidents and cases have a lot of data from telematics, from black boxes, that really tell the story of what happened. But unfortunately, most of the time, police officers don't have that data available yet when they're filling out the reports. That can lead to errors. And finally, police reports often aren't looking into the real responsibility for the wrecks, the companies. Companies that hire truck drivers are often responsible for causing the wrecks in ways that aren't obvious at the time of the wreck. For example, did they have negligent hiring practices? Did they have poor training practices? Did they force the drivers to try to make unreasonable schedules to get as many loads in as possible? Those are the kinds of things that take real, deep investigation that oftentimes are not available to the police when they're filling out the reports. So while police reports are often accurate or pretty accurate in most cases, they are frequently wrong, and you need to look at why and do the investigation by hiring a real experienced personal injury trucking lawyer.